Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy crypto on PayPal. Buying cryptocurrency through PayPal is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. First, you need to have a verified PayPal account. If you do not have a PayPal account, you can create one by going to the PayPal website and following the sign-up process. Once your account is created, you need to verify it by providing the required identification documents. Next, you need to link a payment method to your PayPal account. This can be a bank account, credit card, or debit card. Make sure that the payment method you link has sufficient funds to cover the cost of the cryptocurrency you want to buy. To buy crypto on PayPal, log into your account and click on the Finance tab. From there, select the Crypto section and choose the type of cryptocurrency you want to buy. PayPal currently supports 4 types of cryptocurrency, which are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. Once you have selected the type of cryptocurrency, enter the amount you want to buy. You can enter the amount in either US dollars or the cryptocurrency unit. For example, if you want to buy Bitcoin, you can enter the amount in US dollars or the number of Bitcoins you want to buy. After entering the amount, review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. The transaction details will include the amount of cryptocurrency you are buying, the price per unit, and the total cost if everything is correct. Confirm the transaction and the cryptocurrency will be added to your PayPal account. It is essential to note that buying cryptocurrency on PayPal has some limitations. For example, you can only buy a limited amount of cryptocurrency per week, and you cannot transfer the cryptocurrency to an external wallet. Also, the fees for buying cryptocurrency on PayPal are higher compared to other cryptocurrency exchanges. In conclusion, buying crypto on PayPal is a simple and convenient process. By following these steps, you can easily buy cryptocurrency using your PayPal account. Remember to always review the transaction details carefully and be aware of the limitations and fees associated with buying cryptocurrency on PayPal.